What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to detach and reattach this Polaris Glacier plow that is now currently on my Polaris Sportsman. It is super easy. It takes under a minute for each steps, so here they are. To detach the plow, you first want to make sure the plow is off the ground just a little bit. You're going to come to the lock lever, which is this red guy right over here. When this lever is in the down position, it's locked, and then when you lift up on it, it is unlocked. And on the frame, you could actually see where the plow is mounted. Those two hooks are what you're locking and unlocking. And once you have it unlocked, all you really have to do is bring the plow down. And to do that, I come to my winch, hit the down button or the out button, bring the plow down. I'm gonna go a little bit extra just to give some slack on my cable, so I could then disconnect my winch, which is the next step. And to take the plow off completely, all I have to do is grab up on the red handle, lift up just a little bit, and pull back. Like that. It was that easy to take it off. To put it back on, you just reverse those steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two hooks and put them back on my frame, which is right over here and right over here. To do that, I'm going to grab the black handle, and I'm literally doing this with one hand because I'm recording with my other hand. So it's not easy, but I recommend using two hands. Lift up, slide it on my frame. I'm gonna push back on the plow a little bit so it's on there pretty well. So that's hooked on there. That's hooked on there pretty good. You can see the plow slots right over there. Right now they're empty, so now we gotta bring the plow back up into those slots. And to do that, all we have to do is reattach our winch. So we're going to hook that back on and simply just lift up. So now I'm going to push the in button or the up button. And that's going to lock that plow into place, or set that plow into place. You can see the hooks are showing now. Our last step is simply just putting this lever down to lock, and you are ready to plow. It is that easy. And while explaining it, I did both those steps in literally under 3 minutes. So that's how you attach your plow. To adjust your plow, it's really easy. For the angle, all you do is lift up on this blue handle and just rotate it. And then you lock it back in place. It goes right and left. And you have your plow attached and reattached like that. If you want another video to show how I assemble this plow, let me know in the comments below and I could show you that. But besides that, I hope this video helps you. And if there's any questions or comments, put them in the comment below. Till next time. Peace.